Welcome back to my channel. This video is about a South Indian special side dish called Mango Thokku, and it is called as Mavinkai Thokku in Kannada. So without much delay, let's see how this mouth-watering dish is prepared. To do this, we would need 8 ingredients, including the mango itself. A pinch of hing or asafoetida, 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, a small piece of jaggery, 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of red chili powder, about 2 teaspoons of salt and a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then a raw mango. Initially, we have to grate the mango. So the grated mango is ready now. Let's turn on the gas and place a cooking vessel in which I am going to add the oil and let it heat for a while. Now the oil is hot enough. Let's add the mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start crackling, add in the hing and saute it well. Now let's add in the grated mango and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes so that it is cooked properly without getting burnt. It is now sauteed well for 2 minutes. Let's now add the turmeric powder, jaggery, then the salt. Mix all this well and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. After 6 to 7 minutes, this gets softened like this. Now, add in the final ingredient, the red chili powder. Mix it well and saute it until the oil gets separated. And it is done. This can be served with idli, dosa, chapati or rice. Store this in an airtight container so that it can be used for a week, and if refrigerated, then can be used up to a month. If you have liked this recipe, please hit the like button and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.